In this video, we listed the 15 ingenious winter tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Berlay Transparent Window Weather Sealing Tape. The Berlay Transparent Window Weather Sealing Tape is a versatile solution for ensuring energy efficiency and weatherproofing in homes. With dimensions of 3 inches by 55 yards, this tape is ideal for a variety of applications, particularly for sealing windows and insulating air conditioners. Its transparent design allows for discreet use without compromising aesthetics, making it suitable for residential and office settings. Key features. Durable adhesion. The tape provides a strong hold while leaving no sticky residue upon removal, preserving surfaces. Clear and versatile, its transparent finish seamlessly blends with windows and other glass surfaces, ensuring minimal visibility. Weatherproof. Designed for sealing gaps and cracks, the tape helps protect against drafts, water leaks, and dust, enhancing insulation during extreme temperatures. Ease of use. The tape can be easily applied and cut to desired sizes, making it convenient for DIY projects or professional use. Product 2. Product name, Freeze Miser. The Freeze Miser 2-pack is an innovative solution designed for outdoor faucet freeze protection during winter months. This product offers a durable and reliable alternative to traditional faucet covers, ensuring your outdoor faucets remain functional and protected against freezing temperatures. Key features. Freeze protection. Automatically activates to prevent outdoor faucets from freezing, safeguarding your plumbing during cold weather. Durability. Built with robust materials to withstand harsh winter conditions, providing long-lasting protection. Ease of installation. Designed for quick and simple installation without the need for tools or specialized skills. Low maintenance. Operates independently once installed, minimizing the need for regular checks or adjustments. Water efficiency. Prevents freezing with minimal water use, saving water compared to other freeze prevention methods. Product 3. Product name, K&K Automotive Snow Socks for Tires. The K&K Automotive Snow Socks for Tires Pro Series offer an innovative, user-friendly alternative to traditional tire snow chains. Designed for passenger cars, SUVs, and trucks, these snow socks are perfect for navigating snowy and icy roads during winter emergencies. The Pro Series is engineered to deliver ultimate grip and enhanced traction, ensuring safe driving in challenging winter conditions. Key features. Effective traction. The snow socks are constructed from durable, high-friction materials that provide excellent grip on snow and ice, making them an ideal winter accessory. Easy installation. Lightweight and simple to fit, the socks eliminate the hassle often associated with traditional snow chains, making them accessible for quick emergencies. Vehicle compatibility. Available in a range of sizes, including medium, to accommodate different tire dimensions for passenger vehicles, SUVs, and trucks. Gentle on tires. Unlike metal chains, these socks are less abrasive, reducing wear and tear on both tires and road surfaces. Product 4. Product name, AVA 750 Snow Roof Rake. The AVA 750 Snow Roof Rake is a heavy-duty tool designed for efficient snow removal from roofs, offering a blend of durability and ease of use. Its innovative features cater to homeowners seeking a reliable solution to prevent snow accumulation and the potential hazards it poses. Key features. Easy and quick snow removal. The AVA 750 is engineered for efficiency, allowing users to clear large volumes of snow quickly and with minimal effort. Heavy-duty slide. The rake includes a durable slide made from cut and tear-resistant material, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh winter conditions. Built-in wheels. To protect roofing materials from damage, the AVA 750 features built-in wheels that prevent direct contact between the rake and the roof surface. Made in the USA, this product is proudly manufactured in the United States, highlighting quality craftsmanship and dependable materials. Product 5. Product name, Car Windshield Snow Cover. The 2025 upgrade Car Windshield Snow Cover is a robust, all-season solution designed to protect your vehicle's windshield from harsh weather conditions, particularly during winter. Crafted with 600D heavy-duty material, it provides exceptional durability and resistance to tearing, making it an ideal choice for long-term use. This frost shield is equipped with strong magnetic edges and anti-theft flaps, ensuring a secure fit and protection against wind displacement. Key features: heavy-duty material, constructed from premium 600D fabric, it effectively withstands ice, snow, frost, and even UV rays during summer, making it an all-season protector. Magnetic anchoring system, strategically placed magnets keep the cover securely in place, preventing wind from dislodging it. Universal fit, designed to accommodate sedans and small to mid-size SUVs, it offers versatile compatibility for various vehicle types. Convenient design, features anti-theft side flaps that tuck into the car doors, ensuring safety and easy installation. Product 6. Product name: Electric Ice Scraper. The electric ice scraper is a high-efficiency ice removal tool specifically designed for clearing snow and frost from car windshields during winter. Unlike traditional ice scrapers, this device utilizes an electric-powered heating mechanism to make the process quicker and more effective, reducing the effort required to remove stubborn ice and frost. Key features: high-efficiency de-icing. The electric heating element melts ice rapidly, allowing for smooth and easy scraping without damaging the glass surface. This feature is especially useful during extreme winter conditions. Portable and handheld design. Compact and lightweight, the electric ice scraper is easy to carry and store in your car, making it a convenient tool for daily use during cold weather. Versatility. Suitable for various types of car windows, including windshields, rear windows, and side mirrors, ensuring a clear view for safer driving. Ergonomic build. Designed with a comfortable grip, the scraper reduces hand strain and offers greater control during use. Product 7. Product name: WenC Flat Shovel. The WenC Flat Shovel is a versatile, multifunctional tool designed for outdoor cleaning and maintenance tasks, including snow and ice removal, lawn edging, and driveway weeding. With a 54-inch handle, it offers excellent reach and leverage, making it ideal for efficiently scraping away snow and ice from walkways and roads. Additionally, it serves as a robust ice chopper, effectively breaking down stubborn ice layers during harsh winters. Beyond its winter utility, the WenC Flat Shovel doubles as a garden cleaning scraper and a weed removal tool, enabling users to maintain clean edges along lawns and driveways. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design ensure durability and ease of use, catering to homeowners and gardeners who require a reliable, all-in-one tool for seasonal and year-round outdoor maintenance tasks. Product 8. Product name: 39-inch Extendable Snow Brush. The 39-inch Extendable Snow Brush is a versatile and practical tool designed for efficient winter cleaning of cars and SUVs. Its lightweight aluminum body and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle, even during prolonged use in harsh conditions. The extendable design allows the brush to reach up to 39 inches, providing ample length to clean large vehicles like SUVs without straining. The snow brush features an 11-inch wide squeegee and bristle head, ideal for clearing snow, frost, and ice quickly without scratching the vehicle's surface. Additionally, the detachable ice scraper is a handy feature for removing stubborn ice from windshields and windows. This tool's thoughtful design ensures durability and user comfort, making it a reliable companion for winter maintenance. Product 9. Product name: E1 Winter Waterproof Ski Gloves. The E1 Winter Waterproof Ski Gloves are versatile gloves designed for men and women to provide warmth and protection during cold weather activities. These gloves are particularly suitable for skiing, cycling, running, and other outdoor winter pursuits. They feature a waterproof outer layer that keeps hands dry in snowy or rainy conditions, making them ideal for skiing and snowboarding. The gloves are lined with warm insulation to ensure comfort in freezing temperatures while remaining lightweight and flexible for activities such as biking or running. Their anti-slip grip enhances usability, particularly for driving or handling tools in cold weather. With a focus on durability and functionality, they offer a balance of comfort and practicality, making them a reliable choice for winter adventures or everyday use. Product 10. Product name Hellolebu 39.4-inch ice scrapers. The Hellolebu 39.4-inch ice scrapers for car windshield is a versatile and practical tool designed for efficient snow and ice removal from vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. This extendable snow brush features 12 adjustable length settings, allowing it to reach up to 39.4 inches, making it ideal for clearing hard-to-reach areas on larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Its 360 degrees pivoting brush head enhances convenience by enabling users to clean at different angles effortlessly. The tool combines a durable snow brush for removing loose snow and a sturdy ice scraper for breaking and clearing ice from windshields, ensuring comprehensive vehicle care during winter. The ergonomic design ensures user comfort, while the lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store. This multifunctional tool is perfect for individuals who value durability and ease of use in their winter car care essentials. Product 11. Product name LETHL Cordless Snow Shovel. The LETHL Cordless Snow Shovel is a highly efficient and convenient tool for snow removal, designed to offer a hassle-free and portable solution for clearing snow from driveways, walkways, and patios. With its 20V power system and 12-inch clearing width, this battery-powered snow thrower can handle light to moderate snowfall, making it a great choice for homeowners seeking a user-friendly, lightweight alternative to traditional gas-powered snow blowers. Key features include a 4.0-hour Li-ion battery that ensures long-lasting power, allowing you to clear a significant area without needing to recharge. The included charger ensures you can quickly power up the battery, making it ready for the next snowstorm. The snow shovel is designed with an auxiliary handle for improved control and comfort, reducing strain while operating. Its compact design makes it easy to store and maneuver, offering an ideal solution for those looking for a cordless, maintenance-free snow removal experience. Product 12. Product name Car Emergency Safety Kit. A car emergency safety kit is an essential set of tools designed to prepare your vehicle for unexpected situations, ensuring safety and convenience during roadside emergencies. This comprehensive kit typically includes several key components. Digital air compressor, a compact, easy-to-use air compressor to quickly inflate tires in case of a flat, ensuring you can get back on the road without waiting for help. Jumper cables, vital for jump-starting a dead car battery, ensuring you can get your vehicle running again even in the most inconvenient conditions. First aid kit, a basic yet crucial item for addressing minor injuries or emergencies until professional medical help is available. Winter vehicle roadside safety tools includes specialized items like a detachable snow shovel, helping you remove snow or ice from your vehicle and clear the way for safe driving in winter conditions. Product 13. Product name 2-pack outdoor faucet covers. The 2-pack outdoor faucet covers provide essential winter freeze protection for your outdoor faucets, ensuring they stay functional during cold temperatures. Designed to fit most standard outdoor faucets, these covers are made from 420D Oxford fabric and aluminum foil for superior insulation and weatherproofing. Each cover measures 10 inches high by 6.3 inches wide, offering a snug fit to prevent freezing and damage to garden faucets, hose bibs, and spigots. These insulated faucet covers help keep water flow uninterrupted by protecting outdoor plumbing from the risks of freezing, cracking, and costly repairs during winter. The thickened material provides added durability and reliable insulation, while the waterproof feature keeps moisture out, ensuring that your faucet is shielded from snow, rain, and ice. Product 14. Product name CR Spotless Water Systems. CR Spotless Water Systems is a brand known for its innovative water filtration systems, particularly designed to eliminate water spots and minimize the need for towel drying. The CR Spotless DIC-20 model offers a simple and effective solution for washing a wide range of vehicles, including RVs, cars, motorcycles, bikes, boats, planes, and yachts. This system uses deionized water, which eliminates the minerals that typically cause water spots. By ensuring that water is purified before it hits the surface, it reduces the need for towel drying, thus saving time and effort while delivering a streak-free finish. The DIC-20 is a single-pack system, providing convenience for users looking for an easy-to-use, high-quality rinse for their vehicles. It is a practical solution for anyone who wants to maintain their vehicles, boats, or other assets with professional results while avoiding the hassle of traditional drying methods.